real organic food them here, you know. Are the Jamaican carrot this mommy? Yes, man. Yeah, so nice. Natural life it is. Tomato them up. Election in a year? Vote for your country. Yeah. Yeah, vote for God, mommy. How do you buy your produce? You buy from local farmers like us?
Farmers and coordination.
So local farmers, where you expect from us the most?
Anything like anything.
Plantain, coconut,
Plantain, coconut.
banana,
Sometimes go even tomato.
tomato.
Yeah, man.
You buy tomato from local farmers
Anything
too?
you have buy.
So you have plantain are your best seller too? Plantains are your best seller?
When school is in session.
When school is in session. So you would buy some of my plantain because me have a plantain field, you know?
Yeah, plantain.
Yeah.
When school is in session,
Yeah.
plantain sell.
Plantain sell. But what about breadfruit?
Well, St. Mary full of breadfruit, so people are like it.
Oh, when I've sent breadfruit in our backyard, I sent Mary. The melon then look juicy though, the melon to me. I almost eat half mine here. What a pound for the good old yellow yam now? $400 for yam. How about yam so?
No, when you come out to summer, yellow yam get expensive.
So what about the sweet potato?
Well, sweet potato are $200.
So I can carry some sweet potato can sell you? Me I go give you my number.
That's the point.
Yeah, and then now you tell me where you want.
That's the point.
What about coconuts?
Coconuts no buy from local farmer.
And sell back?
Yeah.
What about pineapple?
Pineapple no buy it in our market because you see the other pineapple hard to peel from the same back.
Oh.
You have too much eye, man.
You can't manage to peel the pine.
When after you're done, you take out the eye, it's back.
So you will buy some melons from house as well?
Yeah, I buy melon too.
Yes, so.
Anything where local farmer have,
Yeah, you buy it.
my buy.
Yeah, man. That is it, mommy. We give thanks to the initiative, man. And encourage them to plant the pumpkin seeds.
Yeah, man. But like if me have pumpkin now, like the farmer will buy pumpkin from now, you tell me to save the seed.
Oh.
So like,
Yes.
me check out some of my seed and give it back to him.
Yes, mama. Pop Joy. How much for Pop Joy?
Oh,
I can't go home left this. Me just a notice say you have Pop Joy, you know. Boy, me I go broke today, but me have to buy the Pop Joy. $200 a pound.
Yeah.
So if me have some Pop Joy, me can carry some Pop Joy, can sell you for sell back too. Alright. Now we know I have the good old callaloo too. That is it, man. Boy, me can't manage it. The yellow yam price, it bother me. Collect for the Pop Joy from me money.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I am. The lamb.
That is it, man. Ah, yeah, so nice. The store turn up. $200 a pound for the carrot.
250.
$250. Mommy, I go get some good old food today.
Me?
Yeah.
Water commission turn me off.
Then again, water.
Me no get water the whole month and then charge me $20,000. Me water begin at $20,000.
Tell them so you never get any water.
Let me tell them, but they don't care. Water commissioner and JPS, I want man, I want the boy they teach. They don't tell them.
And you know the good food them where I get some okra. Oh yes, man. You know the good food them. Oh, you test them the way they look the top. Yeah. All of them are go pink. Then good man, then turn up. Okra for the man them back. And some string bean.
No, we don't use a string bean.
You're not using a string bean today? Alright. Fix up the pot.
Yeah.
I get everything I want over your shop, you know? Yeah, Kang's it is. Kang's Auto.
Yeah.
That is. Aye, chef.
Eh?
From morning, him a come cross with the whole life food. I can never just get one big bag and just stack up and just make one.
It does cook 2 years a day every day.
And come. And look. Man,